Hey everyone, it's Kelly the Frugal Fun Mum. So today's video is another pressure washing video and we are in my driveway. So today is more about fun than being frugal because I nearly lost the plot trying to do this job today. So this video, I technically started it before I did my mum's patio. I learned a lot by the time I got down to her, so I thought let's keep the footage anyway, because watching back I can clearly see quite a few mistakes that I've done, which is also the point of why I did film it. And also the head of this pressure cleaner, you'll see me leaning on the pole there, it kept flying up all the time. There you go. So what I did is I went to Bunnings and I got like an extension piece to make the handle a little bit longer by the time I got to my mum's patio, and so that really helped to clean the area a lot better. I'm finding that here the hose tends to clean it a lot better rather than using the head that's here. But as I said, it kept flying off. Even hubby came out and had a go at it and he was like, it just flies away. So yeah, we've learned a lot since then. The issue we have here as well, because our driveway is so cracked and broken, is we've got a lot of water pooling in some of the areas, which is just so frustrating. So every now and again we've got a broom and we've come out to try and push everything away, but yeah, it is what it is. I wanted to give a huge shout out and thank you so much to the people who left supportive and comments on my last video. And if you're in America, I believe they're from, maybe check them out as a business, because they were so helpful with how I can go back and finish my mum's patio. And no doubt they're probably cringing watching this video, but I'm just a woman at home playing with a new toy. So yeah, all right, enjoy a little bit of quiet cleaning. While I was out here, I thought I would clean the letterbox, because as you can see, it's pretty filthy, and to me it didn't really seem to do a lot with how much water and stuff seemed to be coming out, and all these cars kept driving by. So I thought I'm just gonna stop now, because I just seem to be spraying water into the air for cars to drive through, and I thought I don't want anyone to stop and say something, so I'll just come back and clean it another time. I thought I'd clean the patio because I see a lot of people do that, and at least being a smaller area, I'm hoping I can see an impressive difference, which I can, which I was super happy about. I can't believe how much dirt accumulated here. I should, because it all comes through the front door entrance at times. So yeah, that was pretty quick and simple to do. I'm pretty happy with that. So here we have it wet, or just after I've completed it. Some bits dried really quickly, and then here is the next day. I cannot believe how white that concrete is, and here is the driveway. Again, I can see a noticeable difference, and you can definitely see where I have been and where I still need to go, so stay tuned for that. As I said, this is going to be part 1, so part 2 is going to come up. I just have not had any time to get out there with the schedule that I've had, and also it has been raining so much on and off, so there's no point going out there trying to pressure wash a driveway with the rain being so crazy. You can check out my patio cleaning I did at my mum's house for the first pressure washing, but subscribe, because I will come back and do this, finish it off, and I have some beautiful products to be able to show you as well. All right, I'll see you then. Bye.